The criteria for judging: vocal quality 50%, creativity and performance 30%, stage presence 20%, for a total of 100%. And to continue with our amateur singing contest, may we request all the contestants to please prepare. And ladies and gentlemen, we are honored and we are humbled to introduce and to present to you the Board of Judges for this year, 2024, The Voice of Balangibang. Starting with Judge number 1. She is a professional singer. Itawag na tanghalan contender ABS-CBN. Station manager of DWJ, the 90.3 FM Radio Bandera. Please welcome, a round of applause, Miss Junilyn Sarte Minton. Our judge number 2, he is a professional singer, a graduate of BSPA, an incumbent Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Basud, Pulangi Albay, station manager of DWJJ 102.7 Radio Pulangi. Please welcome judge number 2, Mr. Elvis Oliva. To complete the board of judges, our judge number 3, she is a professional singer. First place amateur singing contest 2023 at Centro Occidental. First place amateur singing contest at Centro Occidental 2023. First place amateur singing contest Magurang Pulangi Albay 2023. Grand champion Piling Festival Sorsogon City 2023. Grand champion Kanta Baile sa Magayon Festival 2019. AKB Urugman Karantan first runner-up 2016. Grand champion, The Voice of Laligay 2024, and the 2 times Tawag ng Tanghalan champion, ikapitong taon of ABS-CBN. Please welcome the chairman of the Board of Judges, Miss Myra Avila. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. To formally open this amateur singing contest, we would like to call in Honorable Roy T. Armenia, Punong Barangay Balangibang, for his welcome address.
Diyos Morena, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat na nagpunta rito sa amin. Kung ano man ang nangyari po sa inyo, kung ano man, magpasensya na po tayo. Kung ano man po ang ano kasi yung meron kasi tayo dito, no? Upang ipaintindi ko sa inyo na meron tayo pinagawa na dapat kung ano man yun, pag-usapan lang natin kung ano man ang dapat gawin. Pero sa ngayon, ay ipagpatuloy natin ang kantahan natin. Kung sino man ang nandito, siya na magkakanta. Kasi yung iba, kaysa maghintay tayo doon yung iba. Saka po, sa ngayon po, ang ganito na may taga-Pulangi, may sabi ng judge na taga-Pulangi din. Sabi ko, nag-usap kami, fair lang ang laban. Sabi ko, laro lang tayo, laro lang ng mga kabarkada to. Kaya po, mga singir, kaya po, hindi ko po mag-expect po na kayo ng mga favoritism or ano pa man na fair lang tayo. Ang matabi mga singir, nari kita po magpa-receive kung ano pa man na session natin, natin ka po lang ang mga judges. kani mga singers nga, kani mga participant, taga Pulanggi. Kaya po, pinauna ko na sa inyong lahat na pair lang tayo ang laban. Kasi, nag-isip talaga kayo na ganito. Pero, sabi ko, nag-usap kami ng mga judges na pair lang talaga. So, kayo na mag-isip ng ano pa man. Kaya po, sa kayo po, welcome po kayo dito sa singing contest na to. Na kayo po, huwag kayo mag-isip ng ano pa man, basta kayo welcome kayo rito. Wala, hindi kayo ano na maganda ang ano natin ngayon na pag-event natin. Kung ano pa po, meron tayo dito mga barangay police, mag-assist sa atin, magbabantay, kung ano pa man. Kung ano po ang problema nyo, magsabi po kayo sa akin, nandito ako palagi sa likod nyo. Kaya po, welcome po kamo, ipagpatuloy natin to. Huwag natin patagalin. Salamat po.
Yeah, thank you very much. Punong Barangay Roy T. Armenia, and let's enjoy this afternoon. Ito po ay isang event para sa kapistahan ng Barangay Balangibang. Again, the criteria for judging: vocal quality, 50%, creativity and performance, 30%, stage presence, 20%, a total of 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, the contender number 1 to sing Rolling in the Deep from Ginubatan Albay, please welcome Sheila Marie Mustar. Superstar Contender number 1. Umpisa pa lang yan mga kabarangay, there's more. And of course, the prizes and awards, champion will receive 3,000 pesos. Second place, the first runner-up brother, 2,000 pesos. And second runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos. Ayan, dire-diretso na tayo. Ang susunod na kalahok, from Quezon City, malayo-layo pa to, to sing I Have Nothing. Please welcome, Boy Vincent. edition of I Have Nothing. Maraming salamat, sir. Kaya diretso na tayo, the next contender to sing Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin from Licao City. Please welcome Shanice Ira Garcia. We have a technical issue with the microphone. Again, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contender number 3, once again, from Licao City, Shanice Ira Garcia.
Oh
Garcia from Ligao City. Ayan mga kaibigan, ang susunod na kalahok from Bulangi, Albay. Please welcome Jason Corpus. Magtaka kung ako ay di na naghihintay ng anumang kapalit ng inalit kong pag-ibig. Kulang na ang iyong patingin, ang lahat sa'yo'y ibibigay kahit di mo man pinapansin. Huwag mangamba, hindi kita paghahanapan pa ng anumang kapalit ng inalay kong pag-ibig. Sadyang ganito hinanakit sa'kin, walang-wala. Ako hindi man dumating sa'kin ang panahon na ako ay mahalin. Asahan mo di ako magkaramdam kahit ako ay nasasaktan. Huwag mo lang iba kahit na ikaw ay aking mahalin. Hindi kita paghahanapan pa ng anumang kapalit ng inalay kong pag-ibig. Sadyang ganito ang nagmamahal, di ka dapat mabahala. Hinanakit sa'kin, walang-wala. Kung hindi man dumating sa'kin ang panahon
ay aking mahalin.
Ayan, thank you very much. Contender number 4 from Pulangi, Albay Jason Corpus. Mukhang may nagugustuhan nating mga hurado ngayon. Hindi ko na ho patatagalin mga kaibigan. Dire-diretso na tayo. The next contender number 5 from Matacon, Pulangi, Albay, to sing Nosy Balasi. Please welcome Mary Ann Ramos. course, the criteria for judging are vocal quality 50%, creativity and performance 30%, stage presence 20%, a total of 100%. And now, let's welcome the contender number 6 from Ginubatan, Albay. Please welcome Wilson Quintana.
Sa bawat yugto ng ating buhay, may wasto at may mali. At sa bawat nilalang, may pula, may ibig, at may madilim ang iyong paligid. Ating gabing walang hanggan. Anyo at kulay ng mundo sa'yo'y pinagkaitan. Huwag mabahala, kaibigan. Isinilang ka mang ganyan, isang bula sa kamunduan. Marami sa amin nabubuhay na tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal. Patungo sa hinaharap na buhay na ganap. kanya. Nabuhay na
Yes, thank you very much. Wilson Quintana from Kinubatan, Albay for your very good rendition. And of course, the criteria for judging are vocal quality, 50%, creativity and performance, 30%, stage presence, 20%, and a total of 100%. And thank you very much to our official tabulator, Madam Maria Hazel Vasquez Sandrino, and to all the Board of Judges. And hindi na ho natin patatagalin to. Ang susunod na kalahok from Caraga, Albay. Please welcome Estrelita Lisay. qualified contender. Number 7 is Lisa. And of course, thank you very much sa ating mga sponsor. And the next contender coming from Cabaco City. Please welcome Mr. Augusto Buban. At syempre after po ng The Voice of Panangibang, we're inviting you everyone po sa aming Beer Plaza 2024 featuring Sketch Tracks Band. Gate entrance ticket is available, 100 pesos free. Stallion Red Horse at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Help me prevail, help feel down. And like you, help really hate you. Be around. Help me keep my feet that on ground. Won't you please? When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help me in any ways. But now those days are gone. I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the door. Help me, pure girl, help feel
thank you very much. From Tabaco City, Augusto, Cuba. And siyempre, our criteria for judging, vocal quality 50%, creativity, performance 30%, stage presence 20%, for a total of 100%. And the last contender, coming from Ligao City, please welcome Jasmine Borabo. Thank you very much, Jasmine Bravo from Ligao City. There you have it, mga kabarangay. We have completed the 9 contenders coming from different places of Albay. Again, the awards are champion 3,000 pesos cash, first runner-up 2,000 pesos cash, and the third prize, or the second runner-up, will receive 1,000 cash. And we have also consolation prizes to the non-winners. And thank you very much to all the board of judges. Of course, station manager of TWJJ 102.7 Radyo Pulangi, my former station manager, Sir Barangay Kagawad SM Elvis Oliva. And of course, Miss Judeline Sarti Mingorio, our station manager of Radyo Bandera 90.3 FM Pulangi. And the chairman of the board of judges, the pride of Pulangi, of course, the two-time champion hour, tawag ng tanghalan of ABS-CBN, Miss Myra Avila. While tabulating the results, I believe meron na silang napiling winners, and our official tabulator, thank you very much kay Ma'am Maria Hazel Vasquez Sandrino. And of course, mga kaibigan, kung matitibay kan mga contenders, tatawag na po kamo sa intermission number pampagana habang tinatabulate ang ating winners. For sure, magugustuhan ninyo the pride of Pulangi. The first place amateur singing contest Centro Occidental 2023. First place amateur singing contest Centro Oriental 2023. First place amateur singing contest Magurang 2023. Grand Champion The Voice of Lanigay 2024. Grand Champion Piling Piling Festival Sorsogon City 2023. Grand Champion Canta Baile sa Magayon Festival Legazpi City 2019. Ako Bicol Party List or Ugmahan Karantan first runner-up 2016. And the pride of Pulangi, the two-time Tawag ng Tanghalan Champion, ikapitong taon ABS-CBN. Please welcome Myra Avila.
Diyos marinapon po sa inyong amin. Thank you pala kay Kuya Joel sa pang-invite sa akin. Okay. Advance Happy Fiesta po. Kakantayin ko po is isa po sa akin ng tako sa PNP. Okay.
With open arms,
Thank you very much. Myra Avila.
Suduan naman ang judges ko.
Sige, while tayo dito po magkabili ng score, syempre. Ano yung SM Elvis? Kakanta ka ba? Hindi naman SM, hindi na. And of course, we would like to thank the following sponsor, the major sponsors of the event. Thank you very much, Mrs. Mercy Arbo Yoriyama of Japan. Again, criteria are vocal quality 50%, creativity and performance 30%, stage presence 20%. Thank you very much. The following sponsors and donors, Honorable Raymond Adrian Salceda, Honorable Jeremy Melia Sampal, Reverend Father Rex T. Armenia, Franz S. Mora, Mr. George Embudo, Mr. Joseph Embudo, Norilyn Salaver, Miss Annalyn Roslin, Delia G. Paranias, Esther Padilla, Milagros Rosales, Joan Digan, Franz Evelyn Celebrado, Honorable Noli Somlero, Ruth Joy Romero, Armenia Rather, Jennifer S. Camata, Susan Loresca, Salvacion Buendia, Marilo Abonita, Honorable Attorney Cristel Luis Pasha, Honorable Roy E. Armenia, Janeline Frondoso, Mary Ann Santor Nakachima, Ella Arbo Armenia, Engineer Edgar Arbo, Mrs. Lani Marfega, Sydney, Australia, Honorable Razen Alan S. Louis S.K., the David President, Rodora Olivares, Dr. Ruby Arbo, Police Executive Master Sergeant Irene Secretaria, Engineer Joseph Polico, Arlene Lopez, Salve S. Bubis, Honorable Bernie Broncano, Mike Bermudo, General Delfino, Merza, Jessa Ampuma,
Dua pa kami, dua.
Of course, special thanks to PJ Santor and Lani Saiso. Thank you very much.
Balangibang. Bulanggi.
Inimbitaran po namin ng Constituent ng Barangay Balangibang.
Balangibang 2024.
Ulang Kalpay.
Siya lang ginawa na ko. Walang ginawa. Oo. Ano masasabi mo, Tay?
Anong tinatanong mo?
Shout out mo. Nanonood ng...
Shout out pala sa mga taga Balangibang, lalo sa mga manunood dito sa ating laban.
Hindi mo naman pa kita.
May kalaban tayo, galing ng Quezon City.
Pare, alam masasabi pa, Tay?
Ang masasabi ko, kaulan dito sa Balangibang.
Ngayon ay May 16. Grabe, araw-araw laban. Puro gana. Ito, puro gana.
Moro panalo.
Boy Binson, puro panalo yan.
Shout out sa lahat ng mga taga Balangibang.
Like!
Well populating.
Yun, araw na.
I will read the certificate of appreciation. Presentation reads.